Hello friends, I am Bharati Shinde working as a lecturer in Praveen Patil Polytechnic College. In previous video we have seen first condition of projection of straight line, that is line parallel to both HP and VP. Now in this video we will see second condition, that is line perpendicular to one plane and parallel to another. So line perpendicular to one plane and parallel to another. So in this first condition we will see line perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. So this is our vertical plane VP and this is our horizontal plane HP. Now the condition is line perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. So we will draw a line which is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP like this. In this side, and suppose take length of this line is 50 mm. So this is one point and this is another point, and this line is AB having 50 mm. So for front view, so this is the direction of observer for front view. So front view will appear in VP. So draw the projection of front view. So draw the projection of line AB in vertical plane. So it will look like this. I will extend line. So this is the front view of line AB having points A dash and B dash, and this is front view FV. Now for top view we will see from top. So this is the direction for top view, and as we know this is the straight vertical line AB, and when we see from top, then the top view will appear as a dot. So I will draw its projection in HP, which is dot. So this dot shows point A and point B also. Now here P is the distance of line AB which is above HP. So above HP which shows point P, and in front of VP which shows point Q. For showing point P and Q, do not take projection from the point directly. Like this, take parallel to line AB and this distance shows point Q, that is distance in front of VP. and this distance is P. Point P. So P indicates the distance above HP and Q indicates the distance in front of VP. So when we draw this line in 2D, in two-dimensional view, then it will be like this. See here, length of line AB is 50. So here 50 and front view is also 50. So front view is vertical line and in top view there is a dot. Suppose we will take distance. We will take one example, that is a line having length for 50 mm. So true length is equals to 50 mm and it is 20 mm above HP, that is P equals to 20 mm and 35 mm in front of VP, that is Q equals to 35 mm. So how it will be look like? So for this, see here, the line true length is given as 50. It is 20 mm above HP and 35 mm in front of VP and is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. So we will draw like, as we have seen here, we will draw like this. So I will take 20 mm distance above and 35 mm below. And 35 mm below, and the line is, true length of line is 50, that is 50. So I will draw 50 above So this shows A dash and B dash, which is true length, and in top view there is only a dot which shows point A and B also. Point A and B both. Now we will show length. We will show height of these points, that is 35 and 20. Take parallel line to this line. But do not measure this distance, as we have already taken it as 50. So this is true length, which is 50, which here is front view and here is top view. This is XY line this is VP and this is HP. You have to show all this, and this distance shows 20 and this distance shows 35. So like this you have to draw all these points. Now we will see second condition. Second condition, that is line perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. So line perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. Line perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. First give name, this is VP and this is HP. I will draw the line which is perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. The line is like this. I will now give name to these points as point A and point B. Now this is the direction for front view, that is direction of observer, and this is the direction for top view. So when we see from this direction for front view, then front view will be like this, that is dot, give here name as A dash comma B dash. So this line AB will appear as a dot in front view. Now we will draw its top view, as we are looking from the direction which is at the top. Now this is the top view. Give name to these points as point A and B. So in top view, true length will be occur, which is 30, and in front view a dot will appear as A dash and B dash. This is intersection line X and Y. Give name to the intersection line as X and Y. Now this line is perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. We will give direction. So we will give dimension of this front view and top view. So this is distance P. This is P. up to point A distance is Q. So this is Q distance. That is front view, which is a dot A dash B dash, is at a distance of P above HP, and top view, that is AB, is at a distance of Q in front of VP. Now this is the presentation in 3D. Now we will draw in 2D. So for this, draw a horizontal line . Draw a horizontal line and give its name as X and Y. Now A dash B dash is at a distance of P above HP. So suppose we will take example, that is a line AB having true length 40 mm, having true length 40 mm, which is whose end point A 20 mm front of the VP, 20 mm front of the VP, and 30 mm above the HP. So 30 mm above HP, that is P 30 mm, and 20 mm in front of VP, that is Q is 20 mm. So we have to draw a line having distance 30 above and 20 below. So draw 30 above and 20 below. Now the true length is given as 40 and the line is perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. So true length is 40. As we know, the front view is like this, that is line, and front view is a dot and top view is a line. So we will draw in front view, which is a dot, which is on this line, and I will draw from this point. Take parallel line to this line, which is not parallel line. So take parallel and true length is 40 given. So in top view there is a vertical line, as we have seen here. And its total height is 40. So draw parallel line to this line and measure height 40. So this is total height, as we can see, is 40, and give name to the point A and point B, which is a true length 40 mm. So write here true length 40, and this is top view. Now front view is a dot. So take projection of this point. So here this is a point A dash B dash, which is a front view. So here write front view, this is top view, this is line XY. You can draw projections also like this, but by faint line, and these original lines draw it by dark lines. And this we have to give dimensions here, which is here 20 and here 30, and draw arrow like this. So like this we have completed the second part